Hello, guys. We have Sharil D'Souza with us from the first batch of MBA SMA IIT Jodhpur. So, welcome back, Sharil. Can we start with how you transition from an MBA student to a functional consultant at Tilla?
Uh, well, transition was relatively easier for me, given the fact that the experience that I got from IIT Jodhpur, I think it kind of helped transitioning smoothly into the work culture at Deloitte. Having said that, we also had a 2 months training period at Deloitte as well, which helped get into the project specific roles that we required. So I think the transition was rather smooth given the academic background that we had and the learnings that we had from college was and the 2 months training that we had got.
What would be the most important skills, both hard and soft skills, for this particular role?
Uh, well, I think the soft skills, not only for this role, but for any job per se, uh, one soft skill that's of paramount importance is people skills. Maybe interacting with your teams, maybe interacting with your clients. You need to be a people's person, like as you grow also in your career, like in getting to higher management roles, coordinating, connecting with people. I think that's important. That's of paramount importance. The second one would be stress management because having the kind of pressure that we have in college, we can kind of compare it, but where there are stricter deadlines to meet and there's revenue at the end of the day that is going to be impacted. So having that kind of stress and managing within those giving guardrails, I think that stress management would be the second one. And in terms of technical skills, I think that's something you keep learning and unlearning. So something that's relevant today might not be relevant tomorrow. So I think that you can keep building on as you go.
Right. But if I ask you that if you could go back to your MBA days with all the knowledge that you currently have, so what would be the two advice that you'd give yourself?
Oh, okay. I think the very first one would be go back and pay a little bit more attention in class. Sometimes just trying to draw parallels from what was actually taught and applying it, it does come in useful. But then you really need to go back and think, okay, what did we miss or not miss? So I think, yeah, while do a in the face, it's all fine games, but the academy part of it is also equally important. So give attention to the academic part. uh, the second one I would say is networking with your peers. Like, the kind of relationships and bonds you build in an MBA college, those go a long way. Not only through your professional career, I think even through your personal life, it just helps. So build those kind of connections while in college.
Okay, noted. So we can do a few questions in like rapid fire. Salwari. Okay. So your two favorite professor.
I think my personal favorite would be Professor Kansha. She kind of mentored me while I was at SME, and Professor Anuj, he made cop hitting first love. So
Okay. You one hidden talent.
he didn't, and I don't think it's very heated, but I think my love for sports, I don't know whether it's a talent or not, but I love playing basketball, so that's.
If you weren't a consultant, what would you be?
If I wasn't a consultant, what would I be? Well, someday I forgot shrink, but I would love to have a little uh boutique that's round up my neck to myself. So interests.